So, welcome to the next module where I'm going to show you how to format your book interiors. That is, how to make your manuscript more presentable for readers. Formatting is simply your ability to make your book more readable, clear, and enjoyable for readers. It involves creating layouts, using margins, spacing, and all of that so that your book aligns perfectly with the specific format you hope to publish in. Under this formatting module, I'm going to show you how to create Kindle ebooks, paperback books, and hardcover books. So we're going to use one manuscript to create these different formats. But before we do that, we will talk about the tools that you require to get formatting done professionally and easily. And out of the many tools available, I've selected these two because I believe they are the most accessible and the easiest to use. Number one is MS Word, that is Microsoft Word. And I recommend you use anything from version 10, 13, 16, 365 or higher. But do not use version 7. Do not use Microsoft Office 7 for this. It's going to be more hectic and complicated for you. Secondly, you would want to get this app called Kindle Previewer. This is one major reason why I said that to be a professional in publishing, you need a PC because these tools are only available for PC. Even if you find an Android or iOS version, that is mobile version, it might be more stressful for you to get on to do many jobs. A PC is recommended. Now, you already know how to get your Microsoft Word, get a Microsoft Office software, get it installed in your PC or your MacBook, and continue the work. But to get this Kindle Previewer, all you simply need to do is hop onto Google and just search for Kindle Previewer in the search results in the search bar here, and click on the first result you see here, Kindle Previewer, Kindle Direct Publishing. So when you are brought here, you just either click on this to download if you're using a Windows PC, especially if it has Windows 8.1 and above, or click this to download the Mac OS version. I already have this installed in my own PC, so I will not download it again. But I'm just clicking it to show you how it's going to display. See, it's coming up for me to download, but I'll just cancel this and move on. So you click on that, download it, install it, and have it handy as we proceed with creating our ebook, paperback, and hardcover formats. So before you start formatting, there are a few things you ought to know about. These are the major aspects of every formatted book.